Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been getting a lot of emails and comments about the hurricane and whether it's going to be a problem for us here in Clearwater, Florida. So I just want to do a quick video to tell you thank you for your concern. You need not worry. We are luckily quite a ways from the hurricane here. You can see this is where the hurricane is right now. If I zoom out, it's heading right here towards the panhandle of Florida. It's a huge hurricane, and we're way down here in Tampa, so you can see even the rain is pretty sparse. We do have a little bit of wind, maybe less than 25 miles an hour, and it's raining a little bit off and on, but we're doing fine, and I appreciate your concerns, and I just wanted to give you an update and let you know we're doing good. I really feel sorry for these people right here that are going to get slammed big time when this hurricane approaches the coast. I think it's about an hour or two away now. And thanks anyway. Have a great day. Bye-bye.